what's up? It's Alexandria here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my at-home lash extensions. What I'm going to do first is show you guys what products I use, and then I'll hop right into the tutorial. So for this video, you're going to need your lashes. I'm using the Ardell Duralash Knotted Flare Double Up Lashes. I have them in small, medium, and long. To apply the lashes, I'm using this Lash Tight Dark Adhesive. Then you're gonna need a pair of tweezers. I also like to brush out my lashes before I get started and clean them off. So you might need a makeup remover wipe to get any makeup that's on your lashes off before then. And then I have a piece of aluminum foil because I like to pour my glue out onto the foil and then dip the lash into the foil. So that's all you're gonna need for this video. I must give a disclaimer. This is not a certified lash technician technique. Please try this at your own risk and be careful if you're going to attempt to do this lash technique. So stay tuned and let's hop into the video. All right, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take a makeup wipe and just clean off my lashes just in case there's any residue on them from makeup application. It's funny because this is actually my second time recording this video. The first time I recorded it, it was like terrible. Like the angles were awful. Like you couldn't really see what I was doing. So right before this video, I took off the lashes that I had just applied like a couple days ago, just for the sake of this video. So do anything for YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. When I apply my lashes, I start with the longest length. I only have a few left, so not much room for error here. So I just take the lash off of here, dip it in a little bit of glue, and I'll show you guys like how much glue is on here. It's very little glue. And then what I like to do is I just pull my lid up like such. And then I apply it underneath my lashes. And it's literally that easy. So usually I like to do about 4 of this longest length, and then I move into my mediums. Alright, so I've got my 4 in right here. Now I'm going to move into my mediums. For the medium size lash, I usually do about like 5 or 6 of these. One thing I like to do is I go in with this flat pair of tweezers, and I just take the tweezers in between the lash and make sure that it's getting a snug, tight hold and helps put the lashes in place. And here I'm just using this lash applicator to press down the individual false lashes into my real lashes to make sure everything has a nice tight hold. Now I'm going in with the short lashes in my inner corner. I usually do 2 or 3 of these in the inner corner. Alright, so here you can see the difference between the lash I just did on the left and the one on the right. And so I'm going to go ahead and jump into the other eye. I do the same process as I did with the first eye, starting with the longer lashes and then moving into the medium and then the short lashes. So this is just the same process over again. Alright, so this is the finished look. Lashes are done. These will last me about 2 to 3 weeks, and they are so much more cost efficient than going to have your lashes done professionally. The first time I went to get a full set of lashes, it was like $200, and this is literally like $20. So it doesn't get much better than this. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! And now you get to see footage of me making a complete fool out of myself the first time I tried to record this video. I can't stand the rain against my window. I can't stand the rain. against my window. I can't stand the rain, 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 rain. Hey, I can't stand the rain against my window. I can't. Super duper blah. Yeah, I'm super blah. Hey, hey. Lashes looking poppin'. What can I say? Turn up, turn up, turn up. Hey, yay, yay. Whoa. Hey, hey. Oh, whoa. Hey.